in pharmaceutical industry. And as we all know, it is a forefront of advancement in automation, recognizing the potential to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and safety across various production processes. So, here in our project, we deal with automation of critical pharmaceutical operations, focusing on pill production, vial and syringe filling, warehouse inventory, and quality control laboratory process. So, in the current landscape of pill production, manual process dominate the workflow, leading to lower power production capacity, increased labor requirements, and significant downtime during product switches. To address these challenges, a groundbreaking solution is proposed by us. The implementation of an integrated cell processing system. The system is equipped with advanced technologies such as rotary tablet press, robotic components, and real-time monitoring. So, by using this process, the project benefits include 200% increase in production capacity, reduced reduction rates, and enhanced data collection for continuous improvement. So coming back to the first process, that is automation of pill production line. This the current manual process in tablet manufacturing limit to 5 million pill per month. To address this problem, so we have proposed for automation and encompassing press, coating, and packing. Key components of this system includes a high-speed rotary tablet press, tablet tracking system, robotic arms, and a blister packing device. This automation aims to increase production to 15 million tablets monthly, that is three times more than the conventional process, significantly improving efficiency. The 18-month implementation plan includes equipment purchase, installing, testing, and production launch. With an estimated $7 million capital cost, the automation investment is projected to yield $2 million of annual operating cost savings, achieving a return on investment within 18 months.
Right. I'm going to explain about automation of vial and syringe filling. The current manual process for filling vials and syringes is labor intensive and error prone, limiting throughput 150 containers per hour. Operators transport raw materials such as fillers and water to isolate oil terminals. Technicians at each station must manually place and remove vials and syringes from containers connected to a peristaltic pump. Automation solutions offer improved accuracy, safety, and efficiency with robotic precision, reducing variation in fill weights, automated sorted, and RFID tracking enhanced traceability, ensuring instant recall down to the unit level. The labor intensive process helps put more technicians in just 150 containers per hour. Changing items or pack sizes takes an average of 2 to 3 hours as the equipment must be thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. Any contaminations carries the risk of spoiling the entire batch. The 12-month induction plans includes offline robotic setup, on-site installation, integration, validation, and staff training. It may be inaccurate in nature because human errors such as inaccurate entries or incorrect packaging occur from time to time due to despite of monitoring. Manual handling also poses safety hazards due to repetitive movements and lifting heavy box loads. Furthermore, the current system limits traceability and complete sterilization of individual components. With a with a 4 million total capital investment, the forecasted 30% annual operating cost savings and increased throughout promise a return on investment with 5 years, supporting consistent profit production and business growth. Thank you.
So now as you can see, there is the automation of warehouse and battery distribution. Firstly, the warehouse operation can use entirely manual process that labor intensive and inefficient. When new item arrive by truck, item must be unloaded and individually inspected before being placed on shelf in the general storage area. So all items are stored in the shelf accessible from the island. And plan for there is no sorting system. The next one is the paper storage for use for the storage records. And when orders are received from customer, paper is assigned to such as and down the island for each item and keep a needle line items on the rolling curve. This bit system is a common mistake due to physical such and it is an average of 20 minutes to complete a typical bulk order. So once the ice loaded, another client must verify all order beforehand wrapping, boxing and labeling them. So the finished goods must then be transported by hand trucks or wagons through the crowded route to the dock during peak periods. So this could follow for delays. And the storage space are also not used very efficiently as the empty spaces between shelves are empty. So regular arrangement is necessary to access the real item buried in the background. So it requires a complete physical store audit and takes many employees more than a week to complete. And this limitation of many system capacity, performance and inventory feasibility and implementation of key business process material handling system and warehouse software can help eliminate this inefficient spoke group costs. Optimization is needed to meet 50% annual volume growth while improving operating costs. And conveyor installation began 3 months after equipment purchase and plant change. So we are launched simultaneously after 6 months of design and testing. So that will be retained on the new workflow about the next 6 months before going live. So the total capital was set for the conveyor and the 6 million, which include hardware and software installation and coordination costs. So it increased productivity, reduced labor requirement by 30% with fewer manual operations. So it combined with 20% throughput increase. This project provides 3 years of papers and strong ongoing to support new automation projects.
As we learned about automation of warehouse inventory and distribution before, now coming to the automation of quality control and laboratory process. This process is a completely manual process. And these technicians are usually examine each drug and they apply the labels to the barcodes. The sample preparation is also manually done, and these samples are weighed, cut, and thus measure the specific quantities. Uh, Respectively, they're gonna rearrange, dry, and mix the samples. Finally, and these samples are distributed through the labs for analysis. Once the test is completed, results may be recorded, must be recorded, and these amount of manual effects uh, can lead to the delays and errors. To eliminate these delays and errors, we have a three-year contingency method. It defines to uh, eliminate the errors. To stream these methods, it cost $5 million in a $5 million and a three-year plan process, automation sample preparation, and online analysis tools. This method eliminates the manual sampling, doubling of throughout up to 150 samples per day, ensure traceability from the receipt to release, and these methods will reduce the labor requirement by 25%, achieving a return on investment in 3 years. This electronic monitoring sample from start to finish, mm, it's a motto of eliminating the errors and delays. Finally, automation and establishes an accelerated and integrated laboratory, supporting evolvement business, enhance overall quantity.